Hello friends, today we will discuss the MCQs of economics on theory of distribution, uh, which includes um, national income distribution and states that how it is distributed among factors of production like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship through rent, wage, interest, and profit. So first question is, which theory explains the distribution of income among factors of production? A. Marginal utility theory. B. Marginal productivity theory. C. Keynesian theory. D. Classical theory. Answer is B. Marginal productivity theory. The marginal productivity theory, developed by economists like John Bates Clark, J.B. Clark, explains how income is distributed among factors of production, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship based on their marginal contribution to production. Each factor is paid according to its marginal product, which is the additional output generated by employing one more unit of that factor. For example, wages are determined by the marginal productivity of labor. Next question. Rent, according to Ricardo's theory of rent, arises due to A. Scarcity of land, B. High demand for labor, C. Capital investment, D. Entrepreneurial skill. Answer is A. Scarcity of land. David Ricardo's theory of rent states that rent arises because land is scarce and differs in fertility. Fertile land produces more output as population grows. Less fertile land is used, leading to rent on better quality land. That is called differential rent. Rent is the surplus earned by the superior land over the marginal, less productive land. So other options, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, are not central to Ricardo's explanation of rent. Question number 3, the concept of quasi-rent was introduced by A. David Ricardo, B. Alfred Marshall, C. Karl Marx, D. John Maynard Keynes. Answer is B. Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall introduced the concept of quasi-rent, which refers to the temporary surplus earned by fixed factors of production like machinery or specialized labor in short run when their supply is inelastic. Unlike true rent, which is permanent due to land's fixed supply, quasi-rent disappears in the long run as supply adjusts. Ricardo focused on land rent, Marx on surplus value, and Keynes on aggregate demand, not quasi-rent. And now, question number 4, according to the marginal productivity theory, wages are determined by A. Total output of a firm, B. Marginal product of labor, C. Average product of labor,